This week I'm going to be refurbishing this outside table. The base is in good condition but needs sanding and repainting, but the tabletop itself needs replacing. Firstly, I'm going to take the top off. Turning over makes it much easier to do this. I'm unscrewing the top. I might use the slats for another job. Sand the base and paint. I'm using a wood stain. Great, it is now dry. I've bought a 15mm thick piece of marine ply. I've bought 2 metal runners to keep the table rigid and stop it from bowing. Cut to size. File the ends. I'm cutting a notch out the end and filing it. This will stop anyone from hurting themselves on it. Now I'm going to drill 5 holes in it. Measure it and screw these into the top. Now fix the base back onto the top. I'm using the existing L brackets for this. Turn it over. It nearly looks like a table again. Make sure it is level and flat. Coat it in PVA. Once it is dry, lay the tiles out on it. I measured these before so I know they're going to fit, but this will just help to determine how close to the edge of the table I can go. I'm leaving about a 5mm gap at the edge of the table. Time to add the tile adhesive. Make sure it is suitable for outdoor use. I'm doing half a table at a time. Make sure it is flat. Make sure the tiles are suitable for outdoor use. Leave the tile adhesive to set. Now I'm going to cut the beading for the edge. Cut a right angle at each end. Glue and nail the beading in place. I'm using adjustable clamps to hold the wood in place. leaving this to dry overnight. Okay, now I'm going to grout the tiles. I've got 2.5 kilos of grout and 500 mils of water. Add the powder to the water so it doesn't go lumpy. Make sure the grout goes in all the gaps. I'm doing half the table at a time as the grout dries quite quickly in this heat. Then use a damp sponge to wipe the excess grout off, turning the sponge over once as you go. Now for the other half. Then leave it to dry. Okay, the grout's dry now. I'm just going to round the edge of the wooden edging with this medium sandpaper. Stained the wood with Danish oil. Well, I think that looks quite good, don't you?